dark and early
Dark
right
and
now.
early, yes she is.
Yeah, and it's a little cool this morning. Some of you may say we're in the 50s, but visibility is good. No issues out there. Gadsden is the cool spot, sitting at 50. We've got 55 in Coleman, and then Birmingham in the upper 50s right at 59. Very comfortable this morning. If you're heading out for the parade at 8 o'clock in a couple of hours, we're going to be in the low 60s. Some of you may want a light jacket, but you're not going to need it for long, because by the time we're kicking off Legion Field, 2:30, it's going to be warm. Low 80s. High temperatures today pushing the mid 80s yet again, and then this evening looks comfortable. Also, Alabama's homecoming this afternoon. It's going to be warm out there in Bryant-Denny, 84 at the kick. And then later this evening, of course, temperatures will drop some, but I definitely think there will be some folks sweating if you're going to be outside this afternoon. Looking to the north, we do have a few light showers, I guess you could say, just not a whole lot of rain as this front starts to work south. And so we've got a mostly clear sky this morning. We'll see some sun and clouds through your Saturday afternoon, but we just don't have a lot of moisture to work with. When you look at the profile of the atmosphere, we're talking about just how concentrated the air is with moisture. There's not a whole lot out there. Very dry. And so again, as the front works south, I don't think we see much rain from this. Maybe a few sprinkles tomorrow. This is the forecast rainfall through the next 7 days. We get another front just about the time that Halloween rolls around and into November 1st, and that could bring some rain, especially to our northwestern counties. But this is it for the next 7 days. Most places measuring less than a half of an inch, if that. So I wouldn't expect any beneficial rain anytime soon. A few light sprinkles tomorrow, but that's about it. And hey, guess what? 8 days until the time change. This is when daylight saving time ends and we get an extra hour of sleep. So that'll be early on November 3rd. So you set your clocks back at 2 a.m. on November 3rd. Some of you may be excited, some of you may not. I know how Magdala feels about the time change. Lots of sunshine in the 7-day forecast. We'll see a little bit more cloud cover as that front works south. Maybe a few sprinkles tomorrow, but again, we're not expecting beneficial rainfall. And then looking ahead toward the end of next week, Halloween, the forecast looks good. I think it'll be mild for trick-or-treaters, and through the evening hours, temperatures in the 60s.